friends, so here we are. So we're gonna be adding a different textile color to these items on the light shade and on the armchair. So first of all, we can go into Shift A and we're gonna go into the image. Then you're gonna go into the mesh plane and we're gonna look for our items, like any textile that you may have done in the past. Like say you guys done some of them, like I'm gonna add this one that I just done in my iPad. I'm gonna grab it and go bring it here, but because it's already being here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the item that we want to add this texture to, and we're gonna right click. So make sure you're clicking on it and you have selected it, yeah. So make sure you have selected it, and then you're gonna right click and you're gonna go to the materials utility and then assign material. Then we're gonna look for this. Obviously I didn't give it a name, but this is the one I just added in, and you can see how my print is being added as a textile. Like say I wanted that to be here as well. I select that, go here, assign materials, and change that. So you guys are gonna have your own prints that you have created, or any sketches or anything that you wanna personalize to make your pop-up be more unique and connected between the design and the prints and colors that you're going to be adding to it. Yeah. Also at the same time, you could even add some solidify into this to make it so evenly, and then we could add some thickness to it. Yeah, if you wanted to create some sort of canvas. Then I'm gonna rotate this on set. Yeah, and I have this like this, and like say if I wanted, obviously I don't have a wall, but if I wanted to add this right here, yeah, so grab the Y as a background, thinking I have a wall here. Yeah, it could be anything. It could become part of a paint of a surface. Also, we're here. I'm gonna select this chair, and like say I wanted this chair to come into that same color. You can come in here and get that chair painted into that same color. Or since we already have our Blender kit here, you can come into the materials here. Make sure you click, and we could select a material here. So like say this one here, and it's going to give me the material, or something that could go with the design, like say this pink, glossy pink, or this one here better. Yeah, so think of all the things that you could do. Like say I don't want these legs to, because they don't match. So like say metal, change them to that one. Oh, I had selected the chair, so you can see it change. But that's an easy fix. We can go just there. Yeah. Like say I wanted to change this. You can go here. Like see it should change. Yeah, to the metallic. So I hope this was helpful, and it gives you more perspective of all the things you can do.